He's been breaking for 10 years straight, so you know he's here to stay.
Are you out of your mind?
The energy is a thriller, and the cards are always killer. Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
JakeT Royals ID 10T for life. JakeT, this is your box, buddy. Good luck. One Mullins, huh? I'll see what I can do. How about a Masahiro Tanaka? That is your box topper. LeMahieu, Garrett Cole, Alex Bregman cheats, Nick Senzel, Nico Horner rookie, Andrew Benintendi, Brian Reynolds. What is up? This guy follows me. Him and Real Muto. I can't get away from him. You got a gold Brian Reynolds. Dansby Swanson. Otani. Albert Pujols. Altuve cheats. Manny Machado. Walker Buehler. Eloy Jimenez, Austin Nola, Glaber, Jose Abreu, Nunez, Solak, Kevin Newman, Brendan McKay, Bo Bichette, nice card. Ahmed Rosario, Max Muncy, Zach Collins, rookie. Your refractor is Aquino. Damn. That just paid for your bucks. And a black. The black is Hey, Jake, you just made This Week in Sports. Wow. Wow. Oh, jeez. Look at the numbering. I thought it was 25 of 25. It's 15. Yeah, still, that's still fantastic. So, Aquino paid for your box. Lewis Robert paid for your next 20 breaks. Okay. Well, that's the best card I've pulled out of here. By a pretty large margin, to be honest with you. What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? Did I say this week's in break? I don't know. Whatever I said, you're just going to have to work with it. Kyle Lewis. Apparently it's only $25. I don't know what I said wrong. I'm pretty sure I said it exactly right. This week in breaks. That's what I said. This week in breaks. That's what you said to say. I said it. What are you, crazy? So you hit both of those. No, I didn't. Did I say this week in sports? Did I really? It's the meds, bro. I'm on some meds. I don't know what to tell you. Okay. All right. Jake, you just made this week in breaks. Did I say sports last time? I don't think I said sports last time. This weekend baked. Oh man, bro, that's amazing. I don't know how many thousands that is, but it's quite a few. You know, it's quite a few. I know that much. All right, guys, saving your video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications. If you enjoyed what you watched, smash the like button. And if you're looking for a great group break, remember.
Oh my
He's
God.
been breaking for 10 years straight.
That's Royals. You're supposed to be on my side.
Today. Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
This has been a production of CFB TV.